Good evening everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today's video I'll be riding my GoldWing at night to see how good the visibility for me is, or how the GoldWing performs at night, you know, with the lights and the fog lights on. And the reason for this ride is because I might be going for a trip soon, and I just want to make sure that, you know, if I have to ride during the night or a little bit an hour after the sunset, would I be comfortable riding it, you know, with the lights and, you know, everything around it, or I don't want to risk that. So let's get started. Before I go out for a ride, I thought why not to just do a walk around of how the GoldWing looks at night. To be honest with you, this is my first time as well looking at the GoldWing at night, just to see how it looks, and I think it looks pretty amazing. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful. The way I see the color, you know, the pearl white, the lights, I don't think I'll have any issue whenever I decide to go for a ride or the mini trip that I'm planning. But looks beautiful. Let's turn on the fog lights and see how the front looks after the fog lights are turned on. So as you can see, once the fog lights are turned on, there's plenty of ride, the road in front, and you know, the shadow. I think it looks beautiful. You see, that's with the fog lights on. Let's give it a straight look. Wow, looks beautiful. You know, I honestly have never seen it. This is my first time taking the motorcycle out at night in the last 3 months that I've owned, and I think it looks very, very nice. I'll also give you a view from the front. So this is the street view with the fog lights turned on, and when I turn them off, it's like this. So that's with the fog lights on, that's with the fog lights off. Anyways, so that's what it is. Let's head out, go for a quick ride and see, you know, what I feel about it. All right, so I'm ready. Let's turn the GoldWing on. I'm thinking to turn the fog lights on just for better visibility. And let's start the fun ride. Honestly, after coming out of my house and just making the video of the walk around at night, I feel the visibility will be pretty good. I'm pretty confident that if I really have to ride at night, I don't think I'll have any issues. But still, I wanted to experiment it by coming out and, you know, making sure that before I head out for that trip, I won't have any issues. But yeah, I feel there's no difference between me being on a motorcycle and sitting in a car. The visibility is as much as what I would see in the car. I don't know why I had in my mind that maybe, you know, visibility wise I might have some issues, but honestly it's very, very good. I think I haven't ridden at night in the last God, I would say maybe 10 years. I try to avoid at night, like the maximum, you know, by sunset or like few minutes before sunset, I'm typically back home. I try not risking it at night, and I don't even remember what my reasons are. So if any one of you rides at night, feel free to let me know in the comments below how you feel about it, because I'm feeling pretty good. I feel I can do this more often without hesitation. No difference at all between me riding at day or at night. It might make a bit of difference if I'm at a place which is pitch dark, I would assume, as there's no light. But here with the light, street lights on the road, I think I'm pretty good. I'm feeling very comfortable riding it. It's not 100% the same as it would be if I'm riding in the morning. I mean, your view of range, your sight is much clearer, and you can see much further at daytime. That's definitely there. That's something no one can beat it. But yeah, it's pretty good. It's a beautiful weather today here. I think it's 21 degrees, nice cool breeze. The weather has changed all of a sudden for beginning of August in Toronto. It's typically nice and warm, but I guess this year we might not get to enjoy the warm weather for long, unless sometimes this short cool wave comes and then goes again, and then we are back to the warm weather for a week. But overall, a very nice weather. I can't complain. Daytime it's nice and sunny, evenings are slightly cool. Beautiful weather to enjoy till we can. Boy, I like it. It's nice. Yeah, I think I can. I won't say I'll do it if I like by choice, but if I have to ride at night, the hesitation I had before, I don't think I would have that anymore. Like, sort of that thing I had in mind that, oh no, I don't want to ride at night. But now if I really have to, I think I can pretty much pull it off. Like, it's very nice. I feel it's funny. I feel like as if it's a new experience for me, for riding up for 20 years, and someday you come across riding at night and you feel, oh wow, never done this before. It looks like, even though I've ridden before at night and in pretty heavy traffic back in the days when I used to ride Ducati and CBR, and in city traffic where cars and people driving at like 140 160 kilometers an hour. So in that traffic I've ridden, but it was and it was sort of by choice, I would say, even back then. I'm sure many of you might be loving riding at night, so if that's you, let me know. Give me the tips down in the comments, so I can maybe follow those tips when I'm riding at night, and maybe that's the way I could improve, I would say, my riding skills. Overall, I think I'm pretty happy. I'm heading down straight because not this traffic light, the one I see further ahead. Past that, it's pitch dark. It's a farmland starting from there, and I want to just ride there in the pitch dark and see how it is, how with the front fog lights on and everything. I think I should be fine, but I would still want to give that a try, because maybe when I'm going for the trip, I most likely will come across roads where there's no light at all, no street lights, and that is where I want to experience and see how it is. So one thing I'm noticing though is that the bumps are less visible. But here I am now with the fog lights on and the regular the GoldWing lights on, and the road visibility down is pretty clear. I don't know how good the GoPro is recording, but from my naked eye I can see perfectly fine for till the light's going. And even if I would say, I can pretty much avoid any bumps if I see till where the light is. And that's my view with the fog lights on. I want to try and see how good it is or bad it is with the fog lights off. So Okay, so that's with the fog lights off, and then that's with the fog lights on. So definitely the fog lights make a huge difference. I would say, you know, that's something that, yeah, if I'm riding in the pitch dark and, you know, a road like this where there are no street lights, I would probably have the fog lights on for better visibility. But overall pretty comfortable, yeah. So I can see much further. I think, yeah, left and right, both sides, I can see the lights flowing. I shouldn't have an issue in case there's a pothole or, you know, I need to quickly maneuver left or right. I think I should be fine. Interesting. So that was a good experience. This is another small patch of road where there's no street light, and probably will give me an idea, a bit of a hill. So, you know, that's what I wanted to experience as well, that if I'm on uphill, you know, going downhill, how would it be? But it's very good. I think no complaints, no issues at all. The fog lights are like magic to this GoldWing. Yep, look at the view, beautiful. I mean, like the sight at the angle and everything is it's absolutely nice. Yeah, I don't think you know, there's any need to worry about it. As long as I'm focused on the road, I shouldn't have any issues. Feel free, you know, to write down below your comments, your suggestions. I'm always thankful to every one of you, you know, who is a subscriber and pens down their comments on all my videos, you know, with your suggestions, with your views. I definitely look at them and, you know, read them and think about it, that, you know, that's maybe something I could follow or do. And thank you again to all the subscribers for all your support. Stay tuned. You know, if you're not subscribers, I see many of you are not, make sure to click the subscribe button and hit that notification icon so you don't miss on any future upcoming videos. I would say till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll talk to you soon.